This is my go-kart and it's not in the best condition. So in this video, I'm going to be completely rebuilding it. I haven't touched my go-kart since the last race weekend, so there's a lot of work to be done on it. First thing I'm going to need to do is take off the bodywork, as that's going to need a proper clean. All the bodywork off. The rear bumper was a little bit difficult because I had a bent pin, but just a couple hits of the hammer and it came off easy. Yesterday I took off the front of the kart, the bumper bars and the pedals. Today hopefully I'm going to finish stripping the kart and then we can start rebuilding it. As you can tell, I've finished stripping down the entire kart, so I think I'm ready to rebuild it. The new parts we've ordered have arrived. We've got new bearings all round. We haven't had to replace much stuff because it's all been in decent condition. Here are all the new parts we've got. We've got K-nuts, grub screws, bearings for everywhere on the kart, and the bumper screw things because I had two bent ones. First thing I'm going to do is put my seat on. As this is the same seat I used last year, we've already got all the holes in, so it should be pretty simple to get it in. As you can see, I have got the seat in my kart, and I think I'm probably going to do the front end next. It's finally 2026, and this year I've only got one goal for this YouTube channel, and that's to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to help out, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get back to the video. After replacing the steering column bearing with the new one, I went ahead and replaced the bearings in both stub axles. After getting the bearings in, I got the stub axles on the kart, and then I decided to get the pedals and the front bumper bars on. I just finished putting on all of the front end, and next I'm probably going to do the steering column, track rods and steering wheel. As you can see, the front of the kart is completely built up, so I'm going to start building the rear of the kart next. I forgot to film me replacing the rear axle bearings with the new ones, but here is me putting in the rear axle. Putting in the rear axle is pretty easy. All you need to do is measure each side until it's the same and it's fully aligned. You've also got to align the brake discs by pressing on the brake pedal, so I also put in the brake system. Then I decided to put in the rear bumper mounts, and they were pretty easy, needed a couple hits of the hammer, but it was pretty simple. After doing that, I decided to put the bodywork on, but in this rebuild video, we're not going to put the engine on or the wheels on, as we're waiting to get some engine oil and the new tyres, as this year we're running Vegas instead of Max's Sports. thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.